Good morning, student. Today we continue the next topic of our chapter number 11, marketing management. Now the product we are discussing about marketing mix. Marketing mix are known as 4 P's of marketing management. These are 4 P's. Why these are called 4 P's? Because they all elements started from the P letter. P alphabet. The first is product, price, place and promotion. These are the 4 elements of marketing management. These all are started with the alphabet P. That's why they are called 4 P's of marketing mix. And now come to that point, what is marketing mix? It refers to the combination of the variable chosen by a firm to prepare its market offering, and the elements are product mix, price mix, promotion and place mix. Now the first question it arises, what is product mix? Product mix, that means it refers to all the decisions relating to products. It mainly include branding, packaging and labeling. Product include 3 parts, that is branding, under which brand name the product is launched. The next is branding, packaging. Packaging further have 3 levels. The first is primary, secondary and third one is transportation. If you take an example of a toothpaste, toothpaste has been packed in a tube. Okay, this is our primary product. Okay, now the next is when the toothpaste is packed in a tube, then it is packed in a cardboard box. Okay, इस तरीके का cardboard box होगा जिसमें toothpaste जो है हमारा पैक कर दिया जाएगा. This is called secondary. Because to protect the quality of the product, we are doing 3 levels of packaging. The next is transportation, when all these packets are packed in a कार्टेज. ठीक है, एक जिसको हम कार्टेज बोलते हैं, that means एक पेटी में उसको बांधना, that is called transportation, so that number of candidate whatever these are the 50 pieces can be moved at a time, and this is called transportation. Okay, now we why the packaging, labeling and branding is necessary. Branding is necessary for refers to the process of through which a special identification of the product is established, and labeling to give the ingredient information and how to use information to the general public. And packaging, we mean the group of those activities which are related to the designing of the production and containers in which they are packed. The function of packaging is product identification, product protection, convenience and product promotion. These are the things. The next is price mix. Price refers to the decision which are concerned with the price fixation of any project or any product or services. And price just be level to which suits to competitors and give them competition also, because we have to take the precautions before deciding the price of a product. There are some factors that affect the price fixation. The first is cost of production. How much is cost is depending. Demand of the product, because demand is also affecting the price, because there is a inverse relationship between demand and price. High the demand, when the demand is high, then the price of the product is high, and when the demand is low, then product price is no. That is positively related. Supply of competing firms. Yes, we have to take the consideration of the price of the competing firms also, and purchasing the power of customers, how the customer is able to buy a product, and government regulation. For example, if we are taking currently the example of sanitizers, the price has been fixed by the government, and all the company has to follow the government intervention and rules and regulations. If we fix the rate of a product, marketing method used, yes, you have to take the proper precautions how to increase the sale of our product. The next is promotion. Promotion refers to the combination of promotional tools which is used by business to inform and persuade the customer and identify them about the quality of a product. The product promotion has been four kind. The first is the most common, that is advertising. Second one is personal selling. Publicity. And the last one is sales promotion. Advertising is a paid form. Okay, paid form because when we advertise our product in a TV or in a print media or in electronic media, we have to be paid for that. So all are these things which are helping promotion of our product. Now the next and the last one is this place mix. Place mix is a combination of all the decisions relating to making the product available to the customer, in which we have to give them physical distribution and it has some channel of distribution. अब physical distribution कैसे होता है? It refers to the decisions relating to the transportation, inventory, warehousing and order processing of the product. Components are, the first is transportation. With the help of transportation, we are deliver the product at the doorstep or even to our distributors. Inventory and warehousing related to store the finished goods and semi-finished goods, and order processing, the goods which are in the process method. So in this way today we are discuss about the element of the marketing mix. The rest of all discuss in the next video. Till bye bye.